Always cleaning the lens after I press record. Smart. Hello everybody. Welcome to Tape Measure Pencil Knife. Blankety blank. Today on Tape Measure Pencil Knife, we're making a sound diffuser wall art thingy. We're gonna use a lot of leftover scrap woods. See all these woods? That's a nice one. See? A nice one. They're all 3/4 of an inch thick. I'm gonna cut them 2 foot long and then push them through a table saw, rip them to like 3.5 inches wide. 3/4 thick, 3.5 wide, 2 foot long. It's time for Tape Measure Pencil Knife. Let's go. I'm not doing that anymore. Just what you thought. You thought you knew what was gonna happen. You did not.
We've got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3, listen.
Tape Measure Pencil Knife.
That should be plenty. Also, I'm out of wood. Blackety black. Take these in, and the next step, I just have to show you the next step. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, what we need is a sample board. You want your pattern board to be twice as long as your actual boards. They're the same thickness, 3.5 inches. Drawing the pattern. First, I'm gonna make some 3/4 marks on my pattern board. Now we're gonna make our swirlies in between these lines. Oops. The next step is marking the bottom. Bottom. I'm going to take my tape measure and I'm going to mark every 1/2 inch. Little tiny marks, like this. When you mark every 1/2 inch to 17, you have 34 marks. And we happen to have how many boards? The next step, cut along our swirly line. Also, I like to number these so I don't accidentally make the same one twice. Let's go. Now, I'm going to take each one of these, put them on a different mark, and trace this. Does that make sense? So, number 1, I will put it flush. Flush on the bottom, flush on the end. Label it number 1 on the back side. Set it aside. Number 2, flush on the bottom, this side on number 2. Just come over here, let me show you. Every one of them are marked and labeled and numbered. The next step, not something I'm excited about. Jigsaw, again, back to the jigsaw. Let's cut every single one of these out and keep them separate. Keep them separate. Keep the tops and the bottoms separate. You don't want to get that mixed up. even though they're numbered and labeled. I forgot they're numbered and labeled. Mix them up. Jigsaw. Ugh. Jigsaw. Let's go.
Doing something you haven't heard before.
He knew the world would not be the same, and to impress him, takes on his multi-armed form and says, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds."
Now, I've kept them separated, 1 through 34 on this side, and 1 through 34 on this side. I need to sand them. I'm gonna sand them all first. A little bit of sanding, and then we're going to start with number 1 from one side and put it with number 1 from the other side. So it's gonna go 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5. Ba, 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 ba. Make sense? Or nah? That was half. Stop looking at my pencil.
All right, hit it.
I can't feel my fingers when I sand. I don't know how long that sanding was, but it was too much. It's too much sanding. I don't even want to go to the beach anymore because of all that sand. Too much sanding. Anyway, the next step. Watch this. This is the fun part. Here we go. That looks pretty wild. But just for S's and G's, just for S's and G's, let's flip every other one upside down and see what that pattern would look like.
Aphrodite, Bendiska, Ostronisus, Hera, Hermesicarus, Narcissus, Medusa, Epasos, Ashalalala, Susus, Minerva, Ecobubus. I love it when you couscous. Aphrodite, Bendiska, Ostronisus, Hera, Hermesicarus, Narcissus, Medusa, Epasos, Ashalalala, Susus, Minerva, Ecobubus. I love it when you couscous.
Up next, let's attach all of these things to each other. Glue and nails. Nails and glue.
Aphrodite, Bendiska, Hera, Hermesicarus, I love Aphrodite, Bendiska, Hera, Hermesicarus, I love Love it when you couscous. Love it when you couscous.
Love it when you couscous.
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 Couscous, 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 couscous. Love it, love, love, love it, love, love, love it, love, 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 love it, love it, love, love it, love. I love it when you couscous. Love it, love, love, love it, love, love, love it, love, 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 love it, love it, love, love it, love. I love it when you couscous. Love it, love, I love it, love, I love it, love, I love it when you love it, love, love it, love. I love it when you couscous.
It's getting a little fluffy. I'm gonna finish on the ground.
I love it when you couscous.
I'm just gonna leave it on the concrete overnight. Let that glue get hard, because right now it's kind of floppy. While the glue's trying to dry, you don't want it doing the wave. You don't want it doing that stuff while the glue's trying to dry. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Easy peasy. Looks complicated, not complicated. Make up your own curve. Watch this. My friend gave me this. Watch. Ready? You know how long that took? Try this again.
Aphrodite, Ventusca, Osteonisus, Hera, Hermes, Icarus, Narcissus, Medusa, Ephasos, Ashalalala, Susus, Minerva, Ecobubus. I love it when you couscous.
Sticking to the paper. All that's left now is to let the paint dry, mount some D-ring hanger things on the back, and then we'll be ready to hang it up. Let's let that paint dry.
Aphrodite, Ventusca, Osteonisus, Hera, Hermes, Icarus, Narcissus, Medusa, Ephasos, Ashalalala, Susus, Minerva, Ecobubus. I love it when you couscous. Aphrodite, Ventuscus, Hera, Hermes, Icarus, I love Aphrodite, Ventuscus, Hera, Hermes, Icarus, I love it when you couscous. Love it when you couscous.
Love it when you couscous.
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 That's all there is to it. You don't have to paint it red. I painted it red. You want to see it? Look at this one. I got a white one. Any color you want. Most people will be mad that I painted it instead of stained it. Why would you paint over that wood? I didn't want it stained. It was like pine or spruce or something. Just paint it. Paint it. From all of us here at Tape Measure Pencil Knife, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Tape Measure Pencil Knife. Let's do it.